Unraveling the Mystery. Sounds fishy to me. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language. Sounds fishy to me. This expression is a gem in everyday conversation, and understanding it can add a playful yet insightful layer to your English communication skills. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your conversations. Sounds fishy to me is a phrase used when something seems suspicious, doubtful, or just not quite right. It's as if you're saying, "This doesn't seem honest," or "Something about this situation or explanation doesn't add up." The word fishy here is a metaphor, suggesting that just as fish have a distinct, strong odor, something that is fishy is noticeably odd or questionable. The phrase, "sounds fishy to me," taps into the long-standing association between fish and the concept of suspicion or deceit. This connection may come from the way fish can be seen slipping away through water, elusive and hard to catch, much like the truth in a fishy situation. While the exact origin of this expression is unclear, it has been a part of English vernacular for centuries, reflecting the language's rich tradition of using imagery from the natural world to describe human behaviors and situations. To help you grasp how to use "sounds fishy to me" in real-life scenarios, let's look at a few examples. 1. When questioning reliability. If a friend tells you about a deal that seems too good to be true, you might respond with, "That sounds fishy to me. Are you sure it's legit?" 2. Expressing doubt. Upon hearing an unlikely story, like someone claiming they caught a giant fish with their bare hands, you could say, "Sounds fishy to me." 3. In professional contexts, even in work situations, if a proposal or data doesn't seem accurate, you might discuss with a colleague, "The numbers on this report sound fishy to me. Let's double-check them." Understanding phrases like, "sounds fishy to me," is crucial for English learners because it not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you engage more naturally in conversations. Idioms and expressions add color and personality to your language use, making your communication more nuanced and expressive. That's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, "sounds fishy to me." We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, origins, and how you can use it to add depth to your English conversations. Remember, language learning is an ongoing journey filled with discoveries. Keep curious, and don't hesitate to embrace the quirky parts of English. Until next time, happy learning!